Our summer 2025 issue is now out. This is our 15th annual Working in a Small Shop issue, where we shine the spotlight on all sorts of small shop solutions, tools, and techniques. Our cover story is on this handsaw holder Steve DeGarabedian made. The article details all the construction information, including how Steve made a dovetail drawer. We've got a lot of other great small shop projects in this issue too, including this pair of sawhorses, which are not only strong and stable, but also fold away for easy storage. If small shop organization is on your list, check out our article on how to install a French cleat system in your shop. A fundamental furniture making and woodworking technique is how to properly break out rough lumber, and David Bedrosian goes through all the steps everyone should know to obtain straight, flat, and square stock so you get started on the right foot. Although we detail how to build the world's simplest rotor table in this issue, we also share in-depth details on 3 mini rotor tables that would make great additions to your small space. And one of my favorite articles in this issue introduces you to the world of spray finishing. If you've always thought spray finishing was just for large workshops, think again. A small workshop is a great place to spray a finish onto your next woodworking project.